What's up guys? In this short video I will explain to you how the ranking system works for Realm Royale. If you don't understand something I said or have any other questions, then leave a comment and I will get back to you. The Realm Royale ranking system will place a player in a certain rank after playing one match. This will most likely be in the bronze division, unless you won the game. The ranking tiers from worst to best are bronze, silver, gold, platinum and diamond. Each of those are divided in 5 sub-ranks. The worst rank is bronze 5 and it goes up to 1 until you are placed in silver. Next, there are 2 more ranks which are called Master and Grandmaster. The Master ranking is reached with 50 game wins. The Grandmaster rank will only be given to the top 50 players with the most kills out of their Master rating. These Realm Royale ratings are expected to last 2 months before the season ends. So how the ranking system works is that your rank is based on your placement in your top 50 matches. Even if you haven't played 50 matches, you will still receive a rank based on the number of wins out of all of your matches. Essentially, you can only work your way up the ranks by placing higher and higher in matches, and cannot fall over time. The highest rank is therefore achieved by earning 50 wins. Lastly, once you have played 50 wins, the game will also track the total number of eliminations you have made within your top 50 games. I hope this cleared some things up. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.